Hello, and thank you for your interest in our brand new product. We would like to introduce to you, for the very first time, our multifunctional, high-power MP3 music player and music speaker with 4 GB memory, a flashlight, and siren for bicycles. The first feature is our MP3 player. After downloading your own music selections, you can enjoy music through earphones. Our second feature is the MP3 speaker. Without the earphones inserted, the machine can play high-quality sound and loud music.
Let's go.
Our third feature is our flashlight. It offers a regular beam, a high beam, and a strobe light for emergencies. By pressing the alarm key, it will give a warning whistle sound. The music torch comes with a convenient clip to attach onto the bicycle handles. Thank you again for your interest in our product.